Hello children, how are you? In this video, we will learn the exercise of the lesson Alice in Wonderland from NCERT Marigold textbook standard 4th. Children, I have already explained this lesson in both Hindi and English language. Also explained exercise in Hindi language. If you want to watch these videos, I give the link in the description box. Or you can search in our channel's playlist. Children, let's start the exercise. Our first topic is reading is fun. Children, here we are given some questions, so we have to give answers. Let us start. Our first question is, while listening to the story, what did Alice see? So, the answer can be, Alice saw a white rabbit, while she was listening to the story. Now our next question. What was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? Children, its answer can be the rabbit that Alice saw had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He could talk like humans. Now see in the next question. Where did the rabbit go? So the answer can be the rabbit jumped into a big rabbit hole. Now next question. How did Alice reach Wonderland? The answer can be Alice reached Wonderland by following the white rabbit. Now next question. What strange things did Alice see? So children, the answer of this question is Alice saw lovely garden with beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. Now next question. Describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. So children, we can write as the garden that Alice saw was the most beautiful garden? She had ever seen? Now next question. Draw the garden of your dreams. Children, in this question, you can draw a garden out of your imagination. So do it yourself. Now next question. Pick correct answer. Children, here some options are given to you and you have to find out correct option and pick the correct answer. So let us start. Our first question is the rabbit head. So children, here we are given three options: white eyes, big eyes and pink eyes. So children, as you all know, in the lesson Alice in Wonderland, the rabbit had pink eyes. So this is correct answer. Now next one, who was burning with curiosity? So children, in the lesson, who was burning with curiosity? Yes, we all know Alice was burning with curiosity. So this is the correct answer. Now next question is, who fell down and down and down? Yes, the rabbit fell down and down and down. Now, next question. Who said, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? Children, as you all know, who said this line? Yes, the rabbit. Now, next question. The garden Alice show was big, lovely, or small? Yes, we all know the garden Alice show was lovely. So, these are the answers. Now, moving on to the next question. Let's talk. Describe. Children, in this question, here we have questions and you have to give answers to them. Let us see the first question. Describe some of the sounds you hear at night. So, the answer can be barking of street dogs, and sounds made by the watchman. Now, next question. Imagine you are Alice and your partner is a rabbit. What would you do? So, children, here we can write the answer as, I would request the rabbit to become my friend. Now, next question. What do you think Alice show in the garden? So, children, Alice show beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. Now, next question. How could Alice have got into the garden? So children, the answer can be Alice could have got into the garden by becoming smaller. Children, here you can also write some other answers of your own choice. Now, next question. Let's write. Find one word from the story that means. Children, here the exercise is one type of word meanings. So, our first word is to walk fast. So, the correct answer is hurry. Now, next one, to think. So, the correct answer is wonder. Now, next one, happy. So, our answer will be delight. Now, next one, to be seen now where. So, the correct answer disappeared. Now, next one, at once. So, the correct answer is quickly. Now, next one, move fast. So, correct answer is scamper. And last one, to be inquisitive. So, the correct answer is curious. Now, next exercise. Give another word for the ones given below with similar meanings and make sentences. Now write the opposites of these describing words and make sentences with them. Children, here we have to write similar meanings as well as opposites to the given words. After this, we have to write sentences. So let us start this exercise. Our first word is lovely. So the similar word of this word beautiful. And the sentence can be I have a beautiful puppet. And the opposite of this word ugly. And the sentence can be he made an ugly remark. Now next one, talking. So children, the similar word of talking is chatting. And the sentence can be my brother was chatting with his friends. And the opposite word of this word is quiet. So the sentence can be he is quiet by nature. Now next one, listening. So children, Similar word of listening is hearing. Hearing. And the sentence can be, she is hearing a story. And the opposite word of this word is speaking. So the sentence can be, he is speaking English fluently. Now next word is see, and the similar word of this word is look. So the sentence can be, look, the birds are flying. And the opposite word of this word is ignore. So the sentence can be, don't ignore your elders' advice. Now next one, center, and the similar word of this word is core. So the sentence can be, we should be serious to, to our core problems. And the opposite word of this word is side. And the sentence can be, the beggar was sitting by the side of the road. Children, now next question is, imagine you are going on a journey to the center of the earth. What do you think you will see? What would you feel? So children, you have to imagine that you are going to center of the earth, and now you have to write that what will you see there and what would you feel. So your answer can be, I would see layers of different types of soil. I would also see layers of groundwater. I would feel excited. So this is our answer. Children, in this answer, you can also write on your own. Now, next question. Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. Rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. Children, in this exercise, we have to rearrange the words and put a punctuation mark or question mark. Children, these are jumbled sentences and we have to rearrange them. So, our first sentence is, dog, rabbit, a how can? And the correct answer is, how can a rabbit talk? Children, here we have to put a question mark. Now, next sentence is, going, he is where? So, the correct answer is, where is he going? Here also we have to put question mark. Now next one, read, he can time the. So the correct answer can be, can he read the time? Now next one, hurry is in a why he. So the correct answer is, why is he in a hurry? Children, if you have enjoyed this video, then like and share it. If you have already subscribed our channel, thank you so much for that. Still you haven't subscribed it, then please subscribe it right now so that quickly you will get notification of our new videos. Your valuable suggestions are welcome in our comment box. Thanks for watching.